guys, welcome back to Master Designs and Anime. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a megawatt buzzshock from Ben 10. If you must know, megawatt is a alien from the original Ben 10 series, and in this new series, Ben actually transforms into him from the future, and believe me, that's something you don't see every day. Ben never got to transform into buzzshock until 20 Ben 10 Omniverse. Anyways, I'm glad I got him here, because I'll draw him in no time. In the meantime, why don't you listen to some music? Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Miura Jam on Amazon Music.
Okay. Okay, so when drawing him, his head is like a really big battery. Okay, so here's the omnitrix symbol on him. Okay, so here's his arm. Okay, so here's his arms. That is how you draw megawatt buzzshock. I hope you guys think it was going a bit too fast, but at least I got it done. Am I right? Anyways, if you let me just fill in the eyeliner here. That's how you draw him. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon, and bye.